Alright guys, we've made it all the way to Primm. Isn't this crazy? But we figured we'd stop at Buffalo Bill's, and unfortunately it is still closed. I thought someone had told me it was reopened, so if you're planning on going to Buffalo Bill's in Primm, this is what you're gonna get. Hey guys, isn't that crazy? I got some cool drone footage of it too, so obviously it's super abandoned. I don't even know if they have security on the grounds because there are no cars in here right now. So creepy and eerie. All the birds flying around. There he is. Don't jump, babe. Don't do it. Are you peeing? Alright guys, we found an abandoned thing. I don't really want to go down there to get in it though. But I see an old milk jug. And I don't know. I don't know what else is in there. What do you think? We're all the way up on this mountain. We rode up through these trails. There's the 15 over there, if you can see it way over there. There's Craigie. Anyway, so I saw this and I was like, hey, go over there. There's something cool over there. But there's some, I don't know what all that crap is in there. This is where we're at. Look how pretty. I don't know. I always think that there's like animals in those little caves in the mountains. Like, what if a bobcat came out? I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably run. What is that thing on top? It is a VCR. Or a...
It's like a DVD VCR combo, babe.
Whew!
Fancy.
Fancy, living the dream. Here, can I get through over there or no? No.
Probably not worth
I'm gonna
it.
try to go over that way.
Nails,
Yeah, there's a lot of nails out through here. And glass. If I saw a snake, I don't know what I would do. Alright, that's as far as I'm getting. It's creepy and kooky. Wow. Craig's like, I'm out. Because I said the word snake. Okay. Run, babe, there's a snake. He didn't hear me.
I said it looks like they just got done painting it, but they're not done with like all the trim.
Yeah. So this one they just remodeled because this is Terrible's, and the big gas station's on the other side of the road. Hey, look, White Castle. That sign is massively lit at night, though. Like you can see it from that top of the hill coming in from Cali. It's crazy.
Hey, they still have the old GS from Gold Strike.
Yeah. See, but right there by the doors, the GS. That's crazy.
Anyway, let's get out of here before we get in trouble.
Yeah, true story.
I think they got it all roped off.
Yeah,
Let's just go back out the way we came.
Yeah, they have all the doors tied off. Alrighty, guys. We're just out exploring. Seeing what we can see. There's the I-15 right over there. Look at that tree.
That's where we're going.